There is a lot of talk out there about plant-based food, and burgers are no exception, guys. What we have here today are the Beyond Meat burger patties, and we're gonna compare them with regular ground chuck burger patties. And as you can see right off the bat, you can see there is some similarity to them. I'll put them side by side. You know, obviously the real meat one is a lot more red, and the plant-based are not, but they look, if you didn't have this right next to it, I don't think you would know. But the real test is gonna be when we cook these bad boys up and taste them. We're gonna cook them on my pellet grill smoker today, and let's see what we can do with these guys. We're gonna prepare them exactly the same way. We got the patties out of the packages, guys, and as promised, I said I was gonna prepare them exactly the same. And because we want the flavor of the patties to shine, I'm not gonna use another commercially bought seasoning. I'm gonna use my homemade salt, pepper, and garlic with a little bit of paprika, and that's it, okay? So I just mix it up in a regular empty container, and you can add as much or as little as you want. Let's flip them around. And there you have it, guys. So we're gonna go outside, fire up that pellet grill, and then we'll meet you out in the backyard. So I know I said we were cooking on my pellet grill, but we made a last minute executive decision, and we decided to go with the Char Griller gravity fed smoker. I have the smoker set at 450 degrees. You hear that sizzle? They sizzle like meat, even. Okay, so in with the plant-based burgers. Now let's go with the meat burgers. So we're just gonna check in about 5 minutes, see how they're looking, and we'll show you what they look like when we come back. 5 minutes at 450 degrees. Let's see what they look like. They're starting to look very identical, huh? Yeah. Let's see if we can give them a flipperoo. No, they're not. They need more time. I'm gonna crank it up to 475 degrees, and then we'll flip them again in about 3 to 4 minutes. So let's give these burgers a flip. There you go, getting a little bit more color. They smell really good. So we're gonna shut the lid, and then we're gonna check them again in another 8 minutes, see how they look. Okay, 4 minutes later, guys, 475 degrees, look at that. They smell fantastic, they look very good. The package says to cook them to 165. I think they're past 165. Yeah, they are 190. Let's see how forgiving they are. Let's check the real meat patties. 167. These bad boys are done, guys. I'm gonna put some cheese on them. We're gonna take them inside, put them together, and best part comes. Let's taste them. Ooh, look at that, guys. So let's put them. Let's pull them off the pit. Let's take them inside, prep them, and taste them. And there you have them, guys. This is the plant-based burger. This is the regular burger. This is not a blind test, by the way. Okay, we're just gonna taste them and we're gonna give you our honest opinion. We prepped them the same, just simple lettuce, tomato, onions, and pickles, mustard, and ketchup. We toasted the buns. I'm just gonna cut them in half and then we're gonna taste them. All right, which one should I taste first?
The right one.
The right one?
Yeah.
The real burger?
Yeah.
Okay, so, well, you know what? Let's see how they look. Let's see here. That's the real burger. And that's the Beyond Meat burger. Let's see how they taste. Right. Okay, so the real burger was really good. The real burger really good. So let's try the Beyond burger. Okay. All right, guys, so we really honestly got confused. It's the other way around. This one is the Beyond Meat. This is a real burger. It was really good. This was really good, guys. And I mean, I'm a beef guy. I'm not a vegan. And but if you give me this one, you wouldn't tell me. I might figure it out after a while, but with just the first bite, I had to take another bite to figure it out, honestly. But guys, it's a real good burger. If I mean, if you're a vegan and you know, you want to go strictly plant-based, you know, then I'm not cooking it like a vegan, but definitely give it a try, guys. I highly recommend it. I don't know if my camera, you want to try it, Pop?
Yeah, I'll try it.
All right. So remember, that one is a Beyond Meat. Okay, so go ahead and try the real burger. All right, so my son tried both burgers. All right, Pop, be honest. If this is the Beyond Meat and that's the real meat burger, which one tasted better to you?
I guess I would go with the beef burger because it absorbed the seasoning a lot better than the Beyond burger.
Okay.
But honestly, it took me a while to decide between the two because this is really good.
It is good.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, it is really good. But yeah, I'm with you. I prefer the beef burger, and maybe it's maybe we can try another seasoning. Maybe that'll make a difference. But not a bad burger at all, guys. Not at all. I'm not disappointed. I'm gonna eat it, but I love this one a lot more. Okay, so we showed you how to grill a Beyond Meat burger on a real grill or smoker. And of course we compared it side by side with a real burger, and it was a very simple process, guys. I did this after work. This is going to be our dinner right now, and we're going to talk about these two burgers. And and enjoy them. But guys, once again, we truly thank you for taking the time to stop by and watch our videos. If you like it, you know what to do. Thank you guys. God bless. More onion, or that's fine.
That's fine.
Which one was
You could taste the difference. I think it's this one.
Yeah, this one, right?
Mm-hmm. Because that one, yeah. Because this one's saying more pinky.
All right, let me see. Okay. Are you sure that's
I know it opened and I was like, But I was thinking it still is that one because it sticks together. Did you make the same amount of each? Wait, how much is it? Of the Beyond?
No, I think this is the.
Wait, no. This is Beyond, right? And that's.
This is the Beyond. This is the regular.
Oh.
I like this one more, honestly, but I don't know which one is which.
This is the. No, yes, because look.
This is the Beyond.